Hi, I'm Bob Saul, Technical Manager for Lithofin, and today what I'd like to run through with you is our small maintenance kit for Quartz Composite Worktops. Now, you may have just received your new worktops and you may well have received a kit, the KITQ, from your supplier. So today what we're just going to run through is the products you've got in here and give you some technical numbers that may help you in maintaining these surfaces. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the products we have in here. And in our small kit we have two products. We also have a microfiber cloth. And we also have a spray nozzle. So the day-to-day cleaning of your now Quartz Composite Worktops, we're going to be using a product called Lithofin Easy Clean. So Easy Clean is a mild alkaline product. It can be used daily, weekly, whenever you need to clean the tops over. This is the product to go across the tops with. So what we're going to do first is we're going to put the spray nozzle on. So take the cap off. We're going to take the straw and we're going to pop it in that spray nozzle and just push it right back. Slip it onto the bottle, tighten it up, and then we're just going to adjust the nozzle on the front to hopefully let us spray a little bit of the product out. Like I say, day-to-day cleaning, whenever you want to wipe over your new tops, take your microfiber cloth, apply a little bit of product around, open up your microfiber, and just work that across the top. Let it dwell a little bit. And once you've cleaned through, just turn your microfiber over and then just start to polish. And that will bring back that natural shine, that polished finish on your top. If you've got home tops, that's not a problem. Just work that until you've got rid of all the Easy Clean. So this is basically going to degrease the surface for you and keep that top in sort of a great clean finish. Now, in some cases, you may very occasionally need to do a slightly deeper clean. You might find around the drainers, the cutouts, that you're finding a little bit of residue or water marking. You might occasionally get if you've left a tea bag on the top or a tea stain or a spice stain, you may just need to step up a little bit to the power clean. So if the Easy Clean doesn't work, it's left a slight residue on the surface because it's not a stain, it hasn't gone into the tile, it's just on top. Step to the power clean, maybe dilute this 1 to 10, and you can either use a soft brush or a white pad just to work over that area, or if you've been baking and you've got some grease marks that are just slightly on the surface, this should hopefully just lift that through. Once that's removed, back to the Easy Clean for day-to-day use. Nice and easy. If you'd like a little bit more information on how to look after these tops, what to not to use, we've got our method statements which are on the website, and you can print these off, have a look, and it gives you all that day-to-day information, what not to use. But the main thing is it's got our technical number on. So the technical number will follow with the website, and if you have any problems maintaining this new surface, then just call us on that technical line and we will run through any problems that you might be having cleaning and maintaining this new surface. Okay, so you've got your kit. If you have any problems, do contact us. If you run out of the products in your kit, online or in our distributors, our shops, there are top-ups for the Easy Clean, which you can get on a 1 litre refill, or you can buy the individual 500 ml, or if you need a little bit more power clean, they come in 500s and litre bottles. So don't panic if you've run out of those. Again, if you're struggling getting hold of them, just call us on the technical number and we'll find you a supplier. Thanks very much. Thank you.